Hello, Nate Mullen here. I'm here at the world's largest supplier of outdoor living products. So I know I'm excited. I know you're going to be super excited when you contractors come down here and you're able to see in person all the things that we offer here. So I'm here representing Lifetime Lighting Systems to really showcase you one of our new products, innovations when it comes to mounting a transformer in the in-use cover. So I've been doing this for over 30 years and I've certainly installed and been on over 1,000 lighting jobs. So I've been as frustrated as you. But I've seen these in-use covers, which are mandated by code now. So you go back out to the job site. I don't know if the thing opens this way or if it opens this way. I end up breaking these tabs. They get cracked, they yellow. I can't see inside. So I get super mad. Even if I open the thing up, right? It all goes like this. I gotta lay on my side. I can't read the configuration of the time clock. I can't see how to plug it in, and it's frustrating. So one of the things that a lot of contractors are appreciating on our new line is the attention to detail. Taking a thing as simple as the in-use cover and coming out with a brand new product. So we call this the in-use slide cover. So you're gonna notice right off the bat that it slides off. So there is no breaking of a tab, knowing whatever it's gonna be. You slide it off, access to the timer or the control device. Homeowners are loving this. I don't have to bend down. It's not going to break in the field. So we give you this. You can either buy it. It's available to buy today, or we include it when you buy our transformer system. Either way, you're going to enjoy this product. So as always, we ship to you. We sell to you direct. I want you to visit lifetimelightingsystems.com where we make it easier for you to buy. And you can also check out our full line of this, which is included in our transformers, our lighting fixtures, our LED light bulbs. And remember, every time you spend $1, you make 3. So here's to a brighter future. Thanks for paying attention.